In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2019, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called My Files and launch it. Then hit the Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it and pick one of those options to open your app in one of those apps. Then select just once or always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!